Hi team, so ito yung question kung saan naputol yung live stream natin last week. Again, I promised you guys I'll just film yung pinakabuong lecture sa age problems. So for now, this is what we have. I'll try to do that really soon before the March 17, 2019 exam. And ipopost ko na lang tapos mag-preview na lang tayo so I can chat with you habang tumatakbo yung lesson. Again, that should be out mga siguro in a few weeks time. Kailangan ko lang mag-devote ng huge chunk ng time para mag-discuss nun kasi medyo mahaba yung discussion. So, for now, dito muna tayo. Ito yung question na I posted na naputol. Sabi, in 4 years, Leia's mother will be twice Leia's age today. Sabi, if Leia will be 30 years old, then how old is Leia's mother now? Now, this type of problem, hindi nyo kakailangan nga tumalon straight to the formula. Yes, you can do your ratio, you can do the table technique here. But one thing you could do would be, if merong kahit isang part sa kanila, if you notice right here, 30 years old, may isang part dyan, sinabi yung actual age. Sometimes you can reverse engineer yung table para makuha nyo yon. Let me show you ha. So again, same thing. Ilan ang tao? Ang tao natin, we have Leia and Leia's mother. Sa time period, we have in 4 years, which is in the future. Tapos meron tayong today, which is present. So again, ito yung present. Tapos you have yung future, which is plus 4. Okay? This is your future. Now, etong pinaka-premise nito is that ilalagay lang natin lahat ng information na meron dun sa problem. Sabi, in 4 years, Leia's mother, so ito yon, ito, will be, which is equals, twice times 2 ng Leia's age today. So, ibig sabihin, itong Leia's age today, pag times 2 ko yan, lalabas dapat yung age nung nanay niya in 4 years. Now, again, ang ita-times 2 mo, yung age ni Leia. Two things. Kasi yun ang sinabi sa sentence. Pangalawa, common sense. Kasi alangan namang mas matanda pa si Leia kaysa sa nanay niya. So, obviously, ang times 2 mo dapat yung mas maliit para lumabas yung mas malaking number. Okay? Tapos, ang sabi, if Leia will be 30 years old then, so again, will be, yan ang clue natin that this is in the future. Tapos meron ding then. So, ibig sabihin si Leia daw, magiging 30 years old then, which is in the future, dito natin lalagay 30 years old. Ang hinahanap, how old is Leia's mother now? So, ito ang hinahanap. Okay? Now, dahil meron akong bonus dyan na isa, na sigurado kong age, hindi ko na kailangan trial and error yung iba na options. I can go straight to trying to build yung table. Let me show you how to do it, okay? So, kung 30 years old si Leia in the future, which is in 4 years, kung gusto ko siya ibalik, sa ilang taon siya ngayon, ang gagawin ko is 30 minus 4. Bakit? Kasi again, kung 30 years old ka ngayon, 30 years old ka in 4 years, okay? Ibig sabihin, ngayon, dapat 26 years old ka. Okay? Binalik ko lang siya. Again, yung tinuro ko dun sa live stream, kapag nag-move ka to the right, okay, kung gusto mo ibalik, you'll do the opposite. So, ibig sabihin, kung from present to future plus 4, kung gusto ko ibalik from future to present, babaliktad yung arrow, magiging kabaliktaran din to, magiging minus 4 siya. Kaya 26 yan. Now, hindi ko alam yung relationship nitong dalawa, pero alam ko na kung ano daw number na to, times 2, lalabas itong number na to. So, I will just do that. This is going to give me 52. At dahil 52 yung nanay ni Leia in 4 years, kung gusto ko ibalik, again, gagawin ko lang yung kabaliktaran ng plus 4, minus 4, that would be 48. So, ibig sabihin, yung nanay ni Leia right now is 48. So again, that's another technique that you could use. Kapag merong isa, kahit isa lang dun sa boxes na nakalagay yung actual age, try nyo i-reverse engineer. Punuin nyo lang yung information na nandun para hopefully makarating kayo dun sa hinahanap. Okay? So I'll give you 2 minutes for the next question. This is basically the same technique that you're going to use for that. You just find out kung ano yung mga ilalagay dun sa table, tas i-reverse engineer nyo lang. Okay? So I'll give you 2 minutes for that, and then after that, we'll solve it together. Okay? Alright, so yung sum daw of current ages of Larry and his father is 75. In 25 years, Larry's father will be thrice as old as Larry today. If Larry will be 50, then how old will his father be? So, dalawa yung tao. We have Larry and Larry's father. Time period natin, sa inyo kailangan natin para sa columns ng table. Meron siyang current ages, so that is in the present. Merong in 25 years, which is in the future. So, wala naman ng iba. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang present, and then future, which is 25 years. So, plus 25. Now, sabi, the sum of their current ages is 75. Ibig sabihin, pag pinagsama ko ito, lalabas dapat 75. Tapos, in 25 years, that is in the future, Larry's father, ito yon, will be equal, ito yun, Larry's father, so will be, which is equal daw siya sa thrice as old as Larry is today. So, ibig sabihin, yung age ni Larry ngayon, okay, pag times 3 ko, lalabas yung age ng father niya in 25 years. Ang tanong, okay, sabi, if Larry will be 50 then, dahil 50 then, ibig sabihin 50 si Larry in the future, ilang taon daw si magiging yung tatay niya. Okay, how old will his father be? Dahil we're looking for this, ito ang hinahanap natin sa tanong. So again, yung konsepto natin na hindi natin muna jump tayo doon sa table techniques, subukan lang muna natin i-fill in yung information that we have here. Okay? So, reverse engineering. Kung 50 si Larry ngayon, 50 si Larry in 25 years, ilang taon siya ngayon? So, again, from here to here plus 25. Kung gusto ko ibalik, that is minus 25. So, gagawin ko lang 50 minus 25, lalabas 25. Okay? Which means, okay, 25 times 3, 75 yung tatay niya ngayon. Okay? Kasi, kung 25 si Larry ngayon, 25 times 3 is 75. So, Larry's father will be 75 years old. Letter B. Ngayon, kung ang hinahanap is how old is his father, okay, kunyari lang, ang gagawin ko lang, kung 75 yung tatay niya, okay, in the future, I can do it two ways. Either 75 minus 25, 50, or yung 75, ima-minus ko again, babalik ko lang siya, minus 25, 50 pa rin ang lalabas. So again, ganun lang siya kadali. Kung alam nyo yung hahanapin ninyo at alam nyo yung gagawin ninyo. So hopefully, this process also helps you sa araw ng exam. Okay? So hindi naman tayo laging kailangan mag-end up dun sa algebra na age problems na x plus 25, mga ganyan. Pwede mong isolve using just your common sense and yung table. Kung alam nyo yung table, paano siya i-manipulate, makukuha ninyo yung sagot. Hopefully. Okay? So, just take things one line at a time. Simplehan nyo lang. Dalian ng practice. Damihan ng practice para pagdating sa exam, hindi kayo magugulat. Okay?